Did you know that Recon from Noname Security is the easiest way to secure your APIs? With Recon, you can rapidly find and fix vulnerabilities without any integrations, installations, or implementations. Recon automatically scans your external attack surface to find issues before hackers do. Now you can easily locate every public API, domain, and vulnerability. That includes things like leaked documentation and credentials that could lead to a breach. If any critical issues are found, you can take action immediately and eliminate weaknesses before they can be exploited. Recon even categorizes vulnerabilities by severity, so you know which issues to remediate first for the most impact to your attack surface. With Recon's automated policy enforcement, you can continuously secure your customer data, intellectual property, and more. Avoid expensive regulatory fines and reputational damage from security incidents with automatic scanning and protection against evolving threats. To learn more, visit nonamesecurity.com/recon.